Welcome to a new video on Moody for Knowledge channel, and thanks for all subscribers of the channel. Because of you, we have reached 240 subscribers and more than 220 hours of watch time since the channel launched last July, which is a success for the channel. I hope all viewers will continue to encourage us by subscribing to the channel, supporting it, and sharing the content so that we can reach a higher number of viewers and benefit as many subscribers as possible. In today's video, we will explain in detail the final stage of gold processing, which is the smelting room stage, where gold is transformed into gold bars. Let's begin.
As we saw in the previous video, after the stripping is complete, we enter the smelting room, where it is crucial to precisely control all factors to ensure maximum extraction efficiency. Step 1. Electro-winning cell cathode plus samples. We open the electro-winning cell, remove the cathode plates, and wash them thoroughly to extract the sample and the gold that has deposited on the plates. We also collect the deposited sample from the bottom of the electro-winning cell. Step 2. We dry the sample on a hot plate. Step 3. After drying, we weigh the sample to determine the amount of chemicals to add in the smelting room. The chemicals are as follows: Borax, Na2P4O7 added at 30% to 40% of the dry sample weight. Borax reduces the melting temperature and improves the smelting process by 10% to 20% of the weight, and it removes impurities while binding the pure gold particles. Number 2, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 added at 10% of the dry sample weight. It also helps remove impurities. Material number 3, we add silica, SiO2 added at 2% to 3% of the dry sample weight. Silica purifies the sample and gathers impurities. Material number 4, sodium or potassium nitrate, KNO3, added at 2% to 3%. This helps improve the smelting process. Step number 4, we take the sample extracted from the electro-winning cell, mix it with the chemicals mentioned above, and place them in a smelting crucible, which is made of materials such as graphite carbon to resist the high temperature ranging from 1100 degrees to 1200 degrees. We then place the crucible in its designated spot in the furnace, which generates enough heat to melt the sample and includes a water cooling system to prevent the temperature from becoming uncontrollable. Step number 5. Once the smelting process is complete, we use a handle made of heat insulating material to hold the crucible and pour the molten material into molds. These molds are coated with gasoline or any insulating material to prevent the molten metal from sticking on the mold, as we see in this video. Step number 6. We place the mold in a tank of water for instant cooling, and as a result the slag separates from the gold, leaving us with the gold bar. The bar is then sent to the gold refinery where silver and other elements are separated from the gold. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the content. See you in the next video and stay safe.